Hello, everybody. Welcome once again to another segment we have on a Kangourou Science Frontiers exam. So, this is your master teacher Amit Modak. Welcome you for the next sort of questions based on your Kangourou Science Frontiers. And today, I am taking the questions from your exams of Kangourou of the year 2009 Austria paper. So today the level would be of your cadet, that would be comprising of grade 7 and 8. So without much delay, let's move on and see the questions. First question, students, for you. Harry delivers newspapers in Long Street. He must deliver a paper to every house with an odd house number. If the first house is number 15 and the last is number 53, to how many houses does Harry deliver? So students, I want your answers on the comment box. What I find is you are becoming very miser in commenting on the comment box. So I want your comments on the comment box. So do write what the answer you think of. Harry delivers newspapers in Long Street. He must deliver a paper to every house with an odd house number. If the first house is number 15 and the last is number 53, to how many houses does Harry deliver? Is it A 19, B 20, C 27, D 38, or E 53? These all questions are from the year 2009 Austria cadet paper. All right. So I'm hoping everybody has thought of the answers, and the correct answer is yes, B option. That's 20. Now, you might have got this 20 number by just calculating manually, like 15. The first house number is 15 and it is being asked to deliver it as a on the odd house number. So after 15 they will go on a 17, 19, 21, 23 and so on till the turn number 53 comes. Now this is easy to calculate manually. Okay, in that case, since the numbers are less, we can do that. Okay, but how if the number is very big enough? Okay, the numbers total or number of houses in the total lane. In a lane we do have lot many houses. So in such cases what we can do? Okay, so for that we can use a formula. Okay, we can use a formula called as, which comes from the concept of your AP, that is arithmetic progressions, where we have a formula called as A plus n minus 1 d is equal to the term as an, or we can say tn, where a is the first term. Okay, we see the series where the additions goes on. AP arithmetic series is a series where we get a series on adding something, it goes on. So a plus n minus 1 d equal to an. Okay, so if we find these, a as a first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference, and an is the value of the term which is being given as a last, or we can say any term. Okay, nth term, whichever the number of terms is being provided, that term's value is an. Now here a a is our, as I said, a is first term. Okay, n is number of terms, d is common difference between the numbers, common difference, and common difference between the two consecutive terms, and an is the value of nth term. Now what we find is the series going on like this. The first one would be 15, then 17, and so on till 53. Okay, now since it was number was less, so it was calculated manually, but in case the numbers are big, what we can do is we can put the values here. A, that is the first term, is 15 plus n we need to find out. D is 17 minus 15, the difference of the two terms, that is 2, and the last term which we need is your 53 here. So n minus 1 into 2, 53 minus 15, that gives 8 and 3, so 38. So n minus 1, now 2 is being there, it will get divided to 19. So n is equal to 19 plus 1, that's 20 terms. Okay, that means 20 houses are being there from 15 to 53. Okay, this is an alternative. Although if it is easy, we can just do the manually part also. All right, sure. Let's do another question. The product of four different natural numbers is 100. What could be the sum of these four numbers? The product of four different natural numbers is 100. What is the sum of these four numbers? Think of four natural numbers which gives you the product as 100. And the condition is that their sum should be there in the option. Like your options are A 10, B 12, C 15, D 18 and E 20. The product of four different natural numbers is 100. Hoping everyone gave the right answer. Okay, the numbers, like the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on it goes, right? We need to get 100. So let's take first one. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, 2 into 5 we can take. 2 into 5 is 10 and 10 into 10 will give us 100. Now let's check what the numbers we have got. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10. What it will give? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 10 is 18. So we will go with option number D. Okay, we'll go with option number D. Let's have another question. The star shows in the figure is made by fitting together 12 congruent equilateral triangles. Now the perimeter of the star is 36 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the gray hexagon? The star shows the picture with the 12 congruent equilateral triangles. Congruent means they are equal size. All the equilateral triangles are of equal size. Now, the perimeter of the star is 36. What is the perimeter of the gray hexagon? What is the perimeter of gray hexagon? Take your time and try to solve it. All right. So let's discuss. So, students, as you can find here, the triangles are being all same measurement, right? That is, they are congruent. Now, the perimeter of the star, basically the when we say perimeter, perimeter means it's the length of outside boundaries. and definitely boundary means the outside only we talk about. So the complete star, basically, if I say this part, the outer region, right? This part measures 36, means in 36 centimeter we have, in each triangle we are taking two sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles means 12 sides we are taking in the perimeter. So that means 12 edges is equivalent to 36 centimeter. So one edge would be equal to 36 by 12. That gives you 3 centimeter. All right. Now talking about the gray hexagon. What is the perimeter of gray hexagon? That means this measurement we require. 4, 5, 6. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hexagon, definitely 6 sides. So one side, as it has been equilateral triangle, the third side definitely will be also equivalent to 3 centimeter. So therefore, perimeter would be of hexagon would be 3 into 6 sides. That gives you once again 18 centimeter. So 18 centimeter is the correct one. Okay, so very well done, students, very well done. Let's move to the next question. In a park, there are some cats and dogs. The number of cats' feet is double the size of the number of dogs' noses. The number of cats is dash of the number of dogs. In a park, there are some cats and dogs, and the number of cats' feet is double the size of the number of dogs' noses. The number of cats is dash the number of dogs. What do you find? Is the double the size, half the size, same size, quarter size, a sixth of the size? What do you find? And students, a very important thing is that at Vedantu we are making you prepare for all the such different awesome competition level. The classes are going on as OMM 3, OMM 4, sorry, OMM 4, 5, different levels are being there for different grades, especially for the class 5 and 6 we are running right now, OMM level 4, 7 and 8 we are running for the OMM level 5, and so on. So amazing experience are getting the students are. So definitely you can go through the whole YouTube. You can get explore on this channel Vedantu Young Wonders. You can get lot many videos on it. Okay, sure. Now coming back once again, students, I'm hoping that everyone has done with it. So in a park there are some cats and dogs. The number of cats' feet is double the size of number of dogs' noses. The number of cats is dash the number of dogs. So let's say suppose I am assuming that number of cats is X. Okay, and number of dogs I'm assuming as Y. All right. Now the number of cats feet is double, obvious. So number of feet for X cats, it would be how much? One cat would be having how many? Two? No, four. So 4 feet. So 4 into X. Similarly, the number of noses for Y dogs, number of noses for Y number of dogs, that's 1 into Y, obvious, Y only. Now, as per the question says the number of cats. feet is, that is, number of cat's feet is double the size of number of dogs' noses. So that means x is equal to 2y upon 4. That gives y upon 2. So it says that the number of cat is dash the number of dogs. So it is coming y by 2, means it's getting half the size of the number of dogs. So you find interesting? Yes, definitely the questions are good and you should definitely prepare for such amazing exams. Chala. So let's have the another question, and I want this to be given as homework, and your answer should definitely come in the comment box, which I am missing. You should definitely answers, you put up your efforts and try to get the right answer of this question. Okay, chalo. So that was end of today's video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.